Plan A, workable. Plan B, yeah. But you're going to slash plan C. I want something that will allow me to sleep at night and not have to wake up wondering where I'm going to work because there's no agents.
Okay, sir.
Let's get something clear now. The planting of these dots, who is the priority? Miranda or Tony or whoever she's meeting with?
Alright, sir, we don't know exactly who she's meeting with, but we need to know exactly what is happening. So, the priority here would be Miranda.
I get funny feeling that you have Miranda like a bee in your bonnet. And there's no room for personalized feelings in this. Remember, you to tell Tony and that.
Sir, this is not personal. Remember from day one, I said to you, there is something about this woman that just does not sit right with me.
And that you're telling me was your professional opinion and not your personal vibe.
Sir, it's all professional.
Okay, Angie. But remember, I was there and I saw your reaction. No, your professional reaction to when she called the name Ray. But I'll take your word for it. Tell you what, I am approving A and B. And for the time being, we know what we have to do with C. With no pun intended. Stay out for the people on cruise ship.
Whisper, you sure you're up for this?
Bossy, I'm working now doing it. I'm up for this, man. Don't worry about it.
So Whisper, why is she being so difficult?
I know. She just get very stubborn. She not talk.
But she don't know what that pain they mean. What she feel it in her belly button?
Yeah, but she tell me say a gas. I'm enough to worry. You know say the girl drive go hospital and I tell her don't move.
So what the doctor them a say?
That's the next thing. Them a say she fi do a ultrasound and I'll be a problem again.
What you mean is a problem? She don't want to do the ultrasound?
Bossy, honestly, right now, we just want to focus on the assignment at hand. We'll talk about that another time.
Alright. So based on intel from Celine, this is where she trailed Miranda the last 2 times. So, me a suspect say, she gonna come back here so.
She have a routine or she just make a random stop?
No, I know. It's a routine.
Same time?
Around about the same time, Brightest are usually her last stop. And she spend roughly 2 hours.
That means we don't have much time in a bossy. We have about 20 minutes. We need to prepare.
Alright. Whisper, you know your character already. The blind man. Right? Tonian, you're doing a 1-day training as a waitress for the heart program.
Copy that.
Alright, bossy.
So listen carefully, Tonian. In the event that Tony is there, you have to change how you talk and how you walk.
No worry, Bubbles. I work out how me go walk and how me go talk.
Alright. Guys, now listen. Mr. Mullins not very confident that this is going to work. We have to make it work. Alright? Wanna remember what we're gonna do.
Yeah, bossy.
Yeah.
Alright guys. In position.